Hey everybody, it's me, Summers here, and you know what that means, right? No more homework. But before you dive headfirst into a pool of potato chips and video games, let's chat about making this summer legendary. And no, I'm not talking about becoming a competitive hot dog eater, although that's impressive too. We're talking about balance, people. That magical state where you're having so much fun you don't even realize you're being productive. Think of it like this, you wouldn't eat ice cream for every meal, right? Okay, bad example, maybe you would, but the point is, too much of anything can get old fast. So how do we achieve this elusive summer zen? First, ditch the guilt trip. Summer is about freedom and joy. It's okay to sleep in, stay up late watching bad movies, and spend an entire day perfecting your underwater handstand. You do you. But, and this is a big but, like bigger than that watermelon you're about to devour, sprinkle in some good stuff too. Volunteer at an animal shelter, learn a new dance move, write that novel you've been putting off. Trust me, a little bit of doing makes the chilling even sweeter. Now let's talk about laughter, the best medicine, besides, actual medicine. Please don't try this at home. Summer is the perfect time to embrace your inner goofball. Tell that corny joke you've been saving, wear mismatched socks with pride, have a staring contest with your pet. Spoiler alert, they always win. Remember, laughter is contagious. Spread the joy by organizing a silly game night with friends, watching a stand-up comedy special, or simply sharing funny memes with your family. Because let's be honest, is there anything better than laughing so hard your stomach hurts? Okay, maybe a bottomless pizza buffet, but you get the point. All right, enough with the jokes for now. Let's get down to business, summer style. Here are some practical tips to make this summer truly unforgettable. Embrace the outdoors, go for a hike, swim in a lake, have a picnic under the stars. Fresh air and sunshine do wonders for the soul and your Instagram feed. Learn something new, always wanted to play the ukulele? Now's your chance. Summer is the perfect time to explore your passions and discover hidden talents. Connect with loved ones. Plan a family game night, call up an old friend, have a water balloon fight with your neighbors. Creating memories with people you love is what summer is all about. Unplug and recharge. Put down your phone, step away from the screen, and give yourself permission to truly relax and be present in the moment. Your brain will thank you for it. Section 4, the grand finale, but not really, it's summer. Making every day count. As we reach the end of our summer adventure, don't worry, there's still plenty of time for ice cream and shenanigans. Remember this, summer isn't just a season, it's a state of mind. It's about embracing the joy in every moment, big or small, so go out there, have an amazing time, and make this summer one for the books. And hey, if you happen to see me at the beach, come say hi, just don't splash me, I just got this hair done. Section 5. The sunscreen of success, balancing fun and efficiency. Remember that balance we talked about? It's like sunscreen for your summer fun. Too much fun, and you'll burn out before August even rolls around. Too much efficiency, and you'll miss out on all the spontaneous adventures. Think of your summer days like a delicious sandwich. You've got your fun activities as the juicy fillings, your productive tasks as the bread holding it all together, and maybe a sprinkle of relaxation as the secret sauce. The key is to find the right proportions for your own unique taste. Section 6, the laugh track of summer, injecting humor into your days. Laughter truly is the best medicine. It's like a free vacation for your brain, and the best part, you can take it anywhere. Stuck in traffic, time for a spontaneous carpool karaoke session, waiting in line at the grocery store, challenge the person behind you to a staring contest, but maybe warn them first, wouldn't want to scare the poor soul. Remember, life is too short to be serious all the time. So go ahead, embrace your inner goofball and let the laughter roll. In conclusion, though you probably watched this video to have an efficient summer, remember, summer isn't a race, it's a sun-kissed journey. So, sip lemonade, chase sunsets, and find your equilibrium. Cheers to a summer well lived.